Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a quick Halloween scrapbook page using this close to my heart kit. I have some leftover pieces from it. This one happens to be from a couple years ago. So this is called Boo Crew. And you can know which kit it's from because the bottom of the paper has a little strip here. They call it a zip strip. Has the name and the order number, and then the colors are now on here, which is really handy. Everything that coordinates. And it's 12 by 12. So this is Boo Crew. I think this is from a year or two ago. I just really wanted to do a Halloween layout, and I didn't have this year's Halloween paper, which is called Fabulous. I didn't get that, but I had this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Also have these sequins here. I don't know that I'm gonna use them. These were really cute. I think this was from a year or two ago. It's called Got Candy, and there's some cute little sequins in there, which would be really cute for shaker cards. But yeah, not doing that right now. This also has little spiders in there. Super cute. All right, so I have a tip for you. A lot of people, I think, really want to get the most out of their paper. I definitely do. I have a 12 by 12 sheet here that was a 12 by 12 sheet, and I pulled it out of the box or package, and it was only about 8 inches, 7.5 inches rather. And then I had this other piece of paper with the stars, and that one was only about 6.5 inches. So I was like really wanting to use them together, and I thought, okay, instead of, you know, cutting a strip, you know, or I just spliced them together. So little glue or tape runner, and just put that together. So this is now a 12 by 12. So this is what we're working with. And then I pre-cut some mats. I'm kind of funny this way. Sometimes I scrapbook and I don't have the pictures. So in this case, I don't have the pictures, but I know I'll find Halloween pictures somewhere and I'll make it work. I'll trim them down to size similar to this, and they'll fit just fine. If not, I might turn one of these into a journaling square. So I do, when I cut them though ahead of time, I cut them in even sizes and measurements that would be similar to a photo if I trim down a photo. So this one here is a 4 by 5, sorry, 4 by 5.5. This one here is 5 by 4. And then I have this little one here, which is oh, that one's a little off, but it's about a 3.5 by 3. Or you could do a 3 by 3. In fact, I am going to do a 3 by 3 because I want it to be perfectly square. So let's make sure that was, so 3, and let's do 3. So that'll be really cute. Sometimes, you know, I do that just to have that even look to it. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere these down. And I like how this is kind of opposite. So I don't know exactly where I want this. I think I want it like kind of low because I'm going to put something up here. I'm going to use some stickers here in a minute that also came in the kit for Boo Crew. And if you notice, I don't put my tape runner all over it. I just kind of dot the edges and the corners. Put that one about there. You don't need a lot. I like doing the corners though, because I don't like it when it lifts. And then that one again, I want to just kind of maybe match it up with this one. All right. And I totally forgot something. I'm not using the adhesive that peels up, the temporary adhesive. That's so funny. I was so eager to get that down. That's okay. Luckily, it didn't stick to, I forgot my zip strips. I have these cute zip strips that I pre-cut. And it's trying to save some time. And then I'm just gonna slide these under. So you see, it's not too bad when you use an adhesive runner. It's really not that bad. It peels up pretty easy. If you do have the removable, that's what I was trying to think of. Removable adhesive, that's probably a little bit better when you're scrapbooking, especially if you tend to put things upside down or in the wrong spot. I occasionally do that. I do have another runner somewhere, and I'm just gonna put these together. That might have changed my placement on that other, oops, got that a little too far. On this one, that probably, yeah, because I don't want it so close. So we'll see if I can get it up. If not, no big deal. Nope, it's there. So I could get out my heat gun and I could move it. That's a little trick. Heat it up. You should be able to peel it off. But my picture is going to overlap there anyway, so I'm not really concerned about that. I will probably, let me try again. I didn't really try. Let's try it. I don't like ripping my paper, but see, this is real life, people. This is what happens when you're scrapbooking and you go fast. All right, didn't really mess it up, so that's good. I really want it like right about there. So now I have this orange gap right there. Great. All right, now I have this cute strip, all these stickers, and I really want to use this banner looking one. So I'm gonna put this, let's see, right about there. So like it's kind of going from corner to corner. And then I really want to use some bats. So I think I'm gonna do, and I love the pink bat. Let's do that. So I think with stickers, it really just comes together. Let's see. I want to do another saying. I either do Let's Get Spooky or Double Double Toil and Trouble. I like both of those. I'm gonna just see what would fit better here. Down here on the bottom, I think the Let's Get Spooky would. So, and I totally forgot something else. This is so funny because I was going all fast. I was gonna put this in the background. So I'm a mess. It's not that late. It's not too late. But what I'm gonna do, instead of using the whole strip of it, I think what I'll do is maybe just use a chunk of it and put it up there. So I'm still gonna use this here. I think I'm gonna like that better anyway because the stars are kind of busy and I don't want it to look way too busy. So what I'm gonna do is, and I think this will be cute actually. And you don't have to cut each one out like this. You can just cut straight up, and if it's cut off, it's cut off. It'll still look cute. Let's do that. I think that'll be cute. And stick it right here. Actually, I think it's too much. I'm gonna just trim off. I think I'm gonna just do a chunk of 3 of those. Just like that. Or I could even do that one, but I think I like the way this one fits better. Yeah, I like that. All right, so where's my tape runner under all this? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna stick that there. And I need a few more stickers. Okay, I want some candy stickers. And then I do love the pumpkins and the arrows, but I want to save some stuff for next time. I like the ghost. Since it says Let's Get Spooky, I really want to use the ghost. So I think I'm going to put him like right here. I just won't push too hard because that way I can put a picture here and the ghost will overlap it a little. So I'm not really sticking him down. And let me move all this out of the way. I really like the candy. So let's do, I feel like we need some stuff over here in this corner. So there's different candies. I'm gonna do some pop of colors that are, different than the paper. So I got pink, dark pink, and maybe an orange. Maybe one of these. So they look different. That'll be cute. Awesome. I think we're good. There's a couple other stickers I could use, but I don't want it to look too busy. I like my scrapbook layouts very clean and simple. There you go, Brew Crew scrapbook page with Close to My Heart. Thanks for watching, guys.